This is the smoked cranberry sauce that upgrades your entire holiday plate. Sweet, smoky, and packed with real flavor. And yes, it tastes even better than it looks. Let me show you how to make it. Welcome to Flavors and Footprints. Today I'm showing you my smoked cranberry sauce recipe. Sweet, tangy, citrusy, with layers of flavor that you can only get with real smoke. I will take you through this, which is going to be perfect for turkey, ham, chicken, or just spoon. Here I have all the condiments and ingredients I'm going to use for my recipe today. We're going to start with washing our cranberries, and then we're going to take them out. We're going to put them in the smoker for 20 to 25 minutes so they just grasp on that smoke flavor that we want to infuse into our sauce. And we're going to start. We're going to wash our cranberries. With our cranberry all washed, we're going to put them on a tray, and we're going to make them ready for the smoker. So today we're using 2 cups of fresh cranberries. Now we're going to put some oil on them, and we're going to add a pinch of salt, and we're going to bring them out to our smoker, which it has already preset up to 225 degrees and super smoke, and then we're going to run them there for 20 to 25 minutes. Into the smoker they go. Let that smoke turn these berries into pure flavor. And while we smoke our cranberries, we're going to char our orange and our lemon. So we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to move them to a pan for 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to put our orange facing down. The same here. This smells delicious. Now we're gonna squeeze the juice of our orange, charred orange, lemon. Oh, if you guys could only smell this. And then we're gonna use a strainer to make sure we get rid of all the seeds from our limes and orange. Let's build our aromatic syrup. So we're gonna add 1 cup of maple syrup. I'm gonna do 1 cup of brown sugar. Our 1 cup of our charred lemon orange juice. I'm gonna add 1 stem of fresh rosemary. We're gonna add 1 star anise. We're gonna add 1 stick of cinnamon. Also gonna add our grated ginger. And we will simmer this until fragrant. Cranberries smoking nicely while the aromatics simmer down to perfection. Stir this a little bit, and it smells great. My Lord. While we wait for the final minutes of our cranberries in the smoker, we're gonna create our orange ginger honey glaze. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. So we're gonna add our half of tablespoon of grated ginger. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. And then to finish up, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of triple sec and 1 tablespoon of Crown Royal. Now we're gonna whisk this. Cranberries out of the smoker, straight to the kitchen to join the base. Our cranberries are ready. They smell pretty good. So we're gonna add them to our base. So now that our sauce is about to be ready, we're gonna add our glaze, the orange ginger glaze that we prepared earlier today. And we're gonna allow it to cook for a minute. I'm gonna stir a little bit here. Now our sauce is ready. I'm gonna pour it here in the container. Pour it in slow. Look at that color and shine. This sauce is another level. Now it all comes together. One last touch to finish it perfectly. Hey, sauce is ready for our little bit of orange zest. We're gonna do a zest of half an orange. Fresh orange zest, the final burst of brightness. And here it is, smoky, glossy, citrusy, the perfect holiday sauce. Spread it on a warm bread. Look at that shine. This sauce hits every note, the texture, color, the aroma. This is holiday flavor in every bite. And here is the final jar, glossy and vibrant. Okay, the sauce is ready and I'm gonna give it a try. Wow, this is delicious, guys. If you like more recipes like this, please subscribe and like. See you in the next one.